Hello my dear kids and welcome to today's maths class. In today's class we are going to introduce a new topic, that is skip counting. Skip counting means नंबर को छोड़कर गिनना यानी काउंट करना. Okay? Jumping the numbers by skipping few numbers. कुछ numbers को छोड़कर हम काउंट करना सीखेंगे आज की क्लास में. So, let's get started. Dear kids, but remember one thing. Before doing skip counting, you must have to learn all the tables properly. Then only you will be able to do skip counting. Okay? Students, in this topic, we are going to learn skip counting by 2's, 3's, 5's and 10's. Okay, so let's start skip counting by 2's. But for this you have to learn the table of 2 properly because we are going to jump by 2 numbers. Okay. Dear kids, you can see here I have written numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, for this you have to learn the counting, forward counting and backward counting properly, and also you have to learn the tables properly. Now let's skip the number by 2. Okay, you can see the numbers I have written and there are few missing numbers. Now you have to fill those numbers by the count of 2. For this, just repeat the table of 2 in your mind. आपको 2 का टेबल अपने माइंड में बोलना है. Okay, then only you will be able to do it. Like first number is 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 twos are 4. Okay, 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Okay, so we are repeating the table of 2 in skip counting. Count by 2. Then 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. Then 2 10s are 20. Understood? This way we are going to do. Now next you can see the same numbers I have written but in different form. 2, then 4. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now you have to fill the next 3 blanks. Okay, by this pattern, by the given pattern you have to fill the next 3 numbers. Like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. First of all, you have to check these 2 numbers. Okay, you have to check these 2 numbers and the gap between these 2 numbers. आपको इन दोनों numbers के बीच का जो gap है वो आपको सबसे पहले चेक करना है कि कितने numbers बीच से missing है. कितने numbers missing है उसके बाद आपको next वाली जो blanks है उसको fill करने हैं. तो अगर आप ये देख रहे हैं कि ये 2 का टेबल लिखा हुआ है, then simply you can write the table of 2 here. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, then 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So this way we are going to do the skip counting by 2. Now in the same way, let's count by 3. You can see the given pattern 3 and 6. As we already know that we have to count by 3. हमें तो ये पहले से पता है कि हमें 3 से काउंट करना है. ओके, यानी कि 3 का हमें टेबल इसमें लिखना है. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Then 3 threes are 9. Then 3 fours are 12. 3 5s are 15. So simple. Next 18 and 21. The same way you can see हमें 3 से ही count करना है. 18 then 21. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. Then 3 8s are 24. Then 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. Understood? So this way we are going to do. Now let's solve a question. Fill in the blanks using skip counting. Okay? इस तरह आपका क्वेश्चन रहेगा skip counting का. Fill in the blanks using skip counting. Number 1. 2 and 4. Just you see the number of gaps. कितने gaps है इसमें? So 2, then 3, then 4. कितने नंबर का गैप है? एक नंबर का. So the next 4 numbers will be the gapping of number 1. एक नंबर से हम गैप करेंगे. That means the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then कितने का डिफरेंस है 4 and 6 में? क्या मिसिंग है यहाँ? नंबर 5. ओके, यहाँ नंबर 5 मिसिंग है. देन 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. कौन सा नंबर मिसिंग है यहाँ? नंबर 7. 8. देन 2 5s are 10. देन 2 6 are 12. ओके, 1 नंबर में ये तो क्लियर हो गया कि ये 2 का टेबल है. हमें उसी पैटर्न में ही जंप करना है और आगे के नंबर्स लिखना है. अंडरस्टूड? सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात ये है कि यू हैव टू चेक द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज 2 नंबर्स. इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच का आपको डिफरेंस देखना है. देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू राइट द नेक्स्ट नंबर्स. अंडरस्टूड? In the same way, number 2, 9 and 12. Just check the difference between these 2 numbers. अगर आपको ये लग रहा है कि ये टेबल लिखा हुआ है, then simply you can write the table. अगर ये टेबल नहीं है, then you have to count and write. Like 9. 9 3 के टेबल में आता है, that means ये टेबल ही लिखा हुआ है. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Okay, this is the table of 3. Next you can see 8 and 10. Again this is the table of 2. ये 2 का टेबल है. Then simply we can write 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Understood? तो इस तरह से हम स्किप काउंटिंग करेंगे, यानी कि जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है हम इस तरह से कंप्लीट करेंगे. मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रही हूँ. यू हैव टू चेक द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज 2 नंबर्स. जितने भी नंबर्स यहाँ दिए गए हैं आपको डिफरेंस चेक करना है. अगर वो टेबल नहीं है then you have to write in the same way. आपको उसी प्रोसेस में लिखना है कि जितने नंबर्स का यहाँ डिफरेंस है. ओके,
I hope you understood today's class. Keep learning. Thank you.